Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about clouds, and this is a little tutorial on how to paint very fluffy and very glowing clouds with oils. You can use acrylics or gouache as well, but my first medium is oil, so I thought to share this experience with you, and you can follow along and pause this video if you need more time. I'm starting with a very rough sketch of the subject of my painting. These are the Pulberg chimneys here in Dublin, a sort of an industrial landmark, but you can use whatever subject you prefer. Focusing on the sky, I'm drawing a V shape as a template for the clouds, and this shape will go all the way through the canvas. With a very loose sketch, I'm drawing the clouds now following this V-shaped template. This will help you to achieve some sort of depth of field in your painting and make the clouds more interesting. The sketch has to be really loose. You don't need to be precise, just try to follow along these shapes. In terms of colors, I'm gonna use just a bunch of blue. You can use a light blue and a darker tone of blue. A black paint is very helpful when you paint the sky. Some reds, a variety of them, and a yellow. I'm actually using a magenta instead of one of the reds, but this is not a set rule, so you just play along. Just stick to these three colors. The first step in painting the sky is actually painting the negative space, so the space behind the clouds. I'm starting here with the lighter of the blues, and then we'll see soon the light. just to recreate this sort of sunset kind of feeling. The next step will be to fill in the positive space, so the clouds, with a very generous amount of pure white. At this stage, try to avoid smudging the white and keep it separate from the background. When we are happy with the background, it's time to work on the clouds and recreate the fluffiness of the clouds. The technique is quite simple, so pay a little attention here. I'm working on the top of the clouds now, so the piece that is further above the ground. And I'm dragging the white paint that is inside towards the outside. Try to melt it and blend it with the background. So from inside to outside. And I'm using circular brush strokes. Bring the paint from inside to outside. For the bottom of the cloud, so the part that is closer to the ground, I'm going the other way around. So from outside to inside, I am melting the background with the white in the cloud. So on the top, I repeat again, from inside to outside using circular brush strokes. On the bottom of a cloud, from outside to inside of the cloud using the same circular brush strokes. And don't be afraid to add more of the background color or more of the white of the inside if you needed to. At this stage, just take your time and work those clouds in until you really have the results that you want. It's a very easy technique, but it's really effective, and if you follow it step by step, you can paint multiple skies and really beautiful landscapes. You can change colors, of course, this is just a guideline, and if you use acrylics or gouache, just let me know how you find it, if this technique works. I'm really curious to know. You can leave a comment in the description. I really hope you enjoyed this painting, and you can find it in my Etsy shop, and the links are in the description below. You can find all my portfolio on my website, irishfarmart.com, Instagram, Twitter, you name it. And please consider to subscribe to my channel. This will massively help my teeny tiny channel to grow a little bit and have some visibility. And I'll see you very soon. So long.